like Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti.
Every year we all are celebrate Republic Day on 26th of January.
Students, you know na Republic Day is coming. So today we are going to do one activity
Related to Republic Day. So shall we start our activity?
Yes! Students, in this activity, we need craft paper, white, orange, saffron, green, blue, Fevicol and some ice cream sticks.
We will take white paper and fold like this. Okay students, देखिए first here then here. Yes, yeah. Opposite direction में हमको fold करना है. Yes, देखिए हमारा first white, green and orange तीनों पेपर हमने इस तरह से fold कर लिए हैं. Okay, now we will fold like this, orange, white and green. Now we will paste the apply the Fevicol. Yes, and paste the here like this. Okay, yeah, ऐसे ही हम अब ऑरेंज के ऊपर व्हाइट पेपर को पेस्ट करेंगे.